Hey guys, we're near Omen's house, just to kind of let you know where we are. We worked our way this way. We're with Linda. Unfortunately, her whole location pretty much got blown over. Her house also got blown over, but they were actually able to repair it, at least as much as they could. You can see these actually really come in handy. When we first, these are like sacks of cement or either rice. When we first met Omen, that's pretty much how his whole house was. The walls were all sacks. But anyway, we're here with Linda and we have a gift for her. Before we start, were you in the house the night of the typhoon?
Diri ka to pagka bagyo te sa imong balay?
Diri may pero kuan kan pagkusog na nga tapo na may dito. Ito pikas balay.
They stayed here, but when they noticed that it's so strong,
Really
they
strong.
transferred.
Alright. And you and your husband stay here?
Kamanduha sa imong banat no? Kamanduha. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm glad that at least they're able to build some kind of protection from the elements now. We have a gift from Yar. Yar, thank you very much. This is 1,500.
Di ka ni Yarte.
You're very welcome. But another thing, we're glad that she's okay. She's safe and her husband is okay. So that's a big help, Yar. That 1,500 can help buy lots of rice and food, and then if they can start saving for if they want to start to rebuild. So thank you very much. So I guess we'll just carry on. This is a quick little visit. But Linda, I'm glad you're okay. Tell your husband we said hello.
Rigas lang sa imong banat eh.
Sige sana. Ako lang man si ipag na hari mo ba?
Sige.
Alright, so we'll carry on.
Bye-bye. Kitty cat.
Hey guys, we're with Jason. I just wanna, we're gonna start the video here. And if you haven't seen the other videos when we were here, their whole house was actually turned upside down, which is up there. So we're gonna take a walk up there. But I just really like this house. It was kind of fortunate in a way. Jason actually built this as like a guest or a resting house, because his farm is in the background here and he has cows and stuff. So his house is up there. So when he's down here taking care of his cows, he would come here and just rest. But with the typhoon, his other house got blown over and now the family's staying here. And I just really like the bamboo. You can see it's like double-sided. You got, if you've seen other videos, what they do with the bamboo, they have a whole bamboo and then they split it. So they split this and then the other side, is facing the other way. So it's like back and forth, back and forth. I just think that's really cool. And then the windows. And then they have their actually own well as well. And the funny story with that, the cow actually found it. The cow would always come here to drink water. And then eventually they knew that water was here, so they started digging, and Jason built this whole thing. You can see the water in there. So it's actually a pretty cool location. But we did talk to him just a little bit. He does want to, rebuild. The electricity company came here and said, where do you want to connect? And they said they do want to connect up there because he plans on building up there. Well, anyway, I think we're going to take a walk up there, just in case you haven't seen the other video of where he used to live and the damage that it did, the typhoon did take. What are you eating over there? Richie always finds a way. There's free food. That looks really good. And what's the name of that again? Bud. Yes. That looks good. How is it? This is a really good one too. Wow. Very delicious.
It's so relaxing here.
Yeah. I love the bamboo floors, the cooking area. Such a cool house. Alright, so I think we're gonna take a walk up there and you guys can see what where his house used to be. Okay guys, here we are at Jason's house. In the past we built them a double CR, which unfortunately, the roof did fall off, but at least most of it's still here. The CRs are still functional, so you can still use them. So it really won't take much to repair this. Pretty much just the roof and a little bit of the wall. Alright guys, so we're with Jason's family. We're pretty much standing where their house used to be. If you haven't seen the other video, his house that used to be here used to be up in that tree right there. It like rolled over and ended up there. And this is just some of the leftovers. He's been busy. He's been getting a lot of the wood from the house. So I guess since they're here, we'll have a little chat with Jason. So, is your plan to eventually rebuild?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Well, we do have some good news. We had some people that saw the last video that wanted to help out a little bit. I'll just go down the list. The first one is anonymous. So this is from who knows. Anyways, they wanted to give you 5,000.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you, anonymous.
Thank you, Anonymous. I will buy something for build my house. Bye.
And Jason's one of those guys that I fully trust. He is a good guy. He is a very hard worker for his family. I've known him for a while since I've been here, and he's a great guy. We made pots together. I haven't seen that. It's actually very interesting how he made his pots. Unfortunately, all your pots got destroyed.
Yes.
Yeah, that's too bad. It was really interesting seeing how he made those. But anyway, the next one is from Matt and Anakin from Chula Vista, California.
Thank you.
So thank you, Matt and Anakin.
Thank you, Matt and Anakin.
And this is 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nakapalit yung materialis sa isang balay.
So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Wow, I can buy materials for
Materials.
this.
This is exciting. I'm really pumped up that Jason, because this is devastating. When I came here and saw this, I never know what to expect going to the family's houses, and this one was totally upside down over there. So it's very devastating. So this next one is from Alma, California. Alma from California, and they want to give you 2,500.
Hala.
2,500.
Thank you. Thank you, Alma.
Alma also, I know, my ma.
And this last one is from G and M. G and M. Thank you very much, G and M. You know
Thank
who you
you.
are.
Thank you, JNM.
And this last one is 1, 2,
Hala.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hala. Thank you. Jesus. Kapalit yung materialis sa balay naman eh. Oh.
He will buy materials for the house. They will rebuild here.
That is
Been here.
awesome. That's awesome, bro. I'm so happy for you guys. I'm like, that's amazing. Those are tears of joy. I'm so happy for you.
I have goosebumps.
I know, really. This is, I love this part of doing this. Like, you know, the typhoon came through and pretty much devastated many houses here, and now they get to rebuild because of you guys. So thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
So I've been saying this to everybody. If you ever need any help getting the materials or anything in between, if you need transportation or with help or anything like that, just let me know, okay?
Kung kinalan kag para sakyan ba kung mamay kag materials, ingnan lang siya kanaman siya motor. Na kay motor?
Naa.
Ah, he has
He has
motorbike.
motor. Okay. So, bro, I love you.
Thank
man.
you.
I love you.
Thank
man.
you, bro.
No problem.
Thank you. I will buy. Someday I will see my small house, this area.
Good. That's what we want.
This money I will buy material for build my house. Thank you to all people who give me this money. Thank you, and God bless you.
All right, guys. Thank you guys so much.
Yay.
Yes, this is such good news. I'm very happy that you guys can start the process of rebuilding what you guys lost. So that's really cool. So I guess from here we're just gonna go on, but we'll definitely keep you guys updated with Jason's family, and hopefully they can, you know, recover what they've lost. So I guess we'll carry on, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys again so much. You guys don't know how much everyone appreciates here. So thank you guys so much. So all right, so we'll carry on.
You need
See
to
guys
sing a
later.
song.
No.
Last time he's like, I don't feel like singing a song because, you know, but this time,
I'll cry.
all right, maybe next time.
Tears of joy.
Next time we'll sing a song.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
You're very welcome. And green, if you remember, I think that's his favorite color. Last time we had
Yes.
green. Is your house going to be green?
Green.
Last time we had green pots, a green table, a green chair. Everything was green. So All right, anyway, so we're gonna go, we'll carry on, and then we'll update with you guys. And I'm very, very happy. I was excited to come here just to give them the good news.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome, bro. All right, guys, so take care. Thanks again to everybody, and we'll go on to the next one.
Thank you.
We just arrived to Bludoy's, and Jenny is grinding corn.
Dito din ang post di ay.
Ibalik.
Galing ko kay tao pinurap pa. So tanan susunod ay lagi.
Mahiyahin.
Dili kay si hanina ko. Galing ko kay. Galing.
So it looks like Bludoy has ordered some plywood for the house. I'll just do a quick walk around. You know, Bludoy, being the person he is, his whole roof pretty much fell off and a lot of his walls were damaged. But being the busy guy he is, he already pretty much rebuilt everything with what he had. He's probably gonna slowly buy new if he does have the budget. But so far he got the plywood, and then it looks like they moved this out here. So this is the grind the corn. And then it looks like most of this wall, and of course, you know, a lot of the roof came off. And then all of this came off. So that's just too bad. Before, if you haven't seen other videos, I think this is like one of the, I think the second CR project, and that CR went into building them their home. That typhoon really did a lot of damage. And then this side. And then this is Bludoy's mother. Most of it, I think the roof came off too, and they were able to get that back on. And then here, that's where I started. But all of this is replaced. This looks like the part of the wall that fell down over on the other side. They're able to use it there. And then here, that's just too bad because Bludoy made this look really nice. And it did get pushed over a little bit. But they did manage to get the lot of roof back on. But just now, unfortunately, you know, every time it leaks, if it blows a little hard, that could easily fall off. But anyway, we do have a couple surprises for them. So we're going inside and talk to them. So Bludoy's not here today, but I always like the inside of here. So you can see here now, you can kind of see through. All right, hey guys, so we're with Baludoy's family, and Bludoy is not here today. I assume that he's working.
Yeah.
He's probably been a busy bee around, working on his own house, among other houses as well.
Trabaho na Baludoy na? Yes.
Yeah. Well, so I saw that Bludoy did get some plywood. Is his plan to kind of rebuild what was lost in the typhoon?
Kanang kita ko na siya plywood, anak, diba? Para asa na si Malay? Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
So slowly but surely, they'll eventually get it rebuilt. But today we have some good news to quicken that up a little bit. So the first one, let's get right into it. We have a couple gifts for you.
Nami gift ni mo.
People just love your family and they want to see you guys happy and live a comfortable life. So the first one, I'll just get into it. This is for you guys from Matt and Anakin from Chula Vista, California. in
Ikan sa
USA.
California.
They wanted to give you 2,000, and actually 1,000 is for you. And what was your name? This is Baludoy's mother.
Yeah. So ito pangalan mo, Naidaling?
Mandalina.
Magdalena.
Mandalina.
Mandalina. Very pretty name. And the other 1,000 was for your family. And you can do whatever you need to do with that. You're very, very welcome. And this is from Matt and Anakin. Thank you, Matt and Anakin. And this next one is from Anthony. And they want to give you 5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Anthony.
And then the last one is from Helen from California. So another one from California.
California ni gikan ni Helen.
And they want to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,500. And too bad we haven't seen Bludoy yet. He's been such a busy person. So hopefully next time when we see you, Bludoy might be here.
Unsa nos kanang kada Domingo ra na maari sa Baludoy.
Domingo ka. Karon na kutob. Karon na kutob. Aduhan lang kuno kutob. Karon.
He will be here maybe tomorrow because his last day of work today.
Oh, too bad. Okay, so maybe we'll come back another time and see him. But tell him that's for house repairs. And I mean, Bludoy's one of the best guys I know. So he does stuff that needs to be done. He knows what to do with the money. But anyways, hopefully we can get here and kind of see the process of it. The thing with Bludoy is that sometimes if we miss him for like a day, he'll have the whole house rebuilt because he wastes no time and he just is a very, very hard worker. But anyway, how is everyone doing? I see that you got the roof back on here. Does it rain when it leaks? I mean, I can kind of answer that question just by looking at it. But hopefully with some of that you can buy some new roofing for the
I hope
house.
makatabang sa inyong hinihinay nga pag-repair sa imong balay ba. Huwag ka na sa te.
But Bludoy did a really good job with the house, with this one and that one. But
Thank you kayo.
you guys are very, very welcome. But everything else is going good?
Okay ra mo dre?
Okay yun.
Fighting.
Fighting, that's good to hear. Filipino spirit. So, I guess that's just a quick little update here. I just want to get this money to them, to the families, so to make sure they have it and they can start doing what they need to do with it. So I thank you again to everyone who is involved with all this, and I guess we'll see you guys next time.
Hi Slami.
Sibawa na rin. Moro na siya. Kuhan gapunga. Sibawa. Ganang. Yubo.
Ayaw ra. She said get food for them like Coke. It's okay.
Oh, no, yeah, we don't
Yeah,
need anything. Thank you
we're
guys.
good.
Thank you guys, though. Yeah, that's all for you, so spend it for your food if you guys want anything. So, so I guess that's about it. So I guess we'll carry on, and we'll see you guys later. So,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. Thank you guys again. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye Ivan.
Bye. 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 Naiban na kagugbo.